As a client working with a graphic designer, it is always important to establish a good working relationship and communicate effectively to ensure a successful project. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing my top tips on how to work effectively with a graphic designer. Hello everyone, I'm your instructor Benjamin, and I especially welcome you to another exciting video tutorial lessons from the latest design software to expert tips and tricks. Whether you are just starting out or looking to brush up your skills or need some design inspirations, I've got something for everyone. So why don't you join me on this journey, and together let's bring our creative ideas to life. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all latest content. And also make sure to like this video if you find interest in it. Don't also forget to share it to your other friends to also benefit from this video as well. Without anything much more to say, let's quickly jump right into the video and let's begin. So the first point I would like to talk about is clearly communicate your design needs and expectations. Be specific and clear about what you want from the graphic designers, and always provide much information as possible, including your design preference, your target audience, and project deadlines. Most importantly, your project deadlines. Don't forget this. Now, the second thing I would want to also hit on is, as client, always be open to suggestions and recommendations. Graphic designers are trained professionals and they are experts at what they do. So at some point in time, they might want to offer suggestions and recommendations based on your idea. When it happens, please don't boycott their suggestions or recommendations. Accept it, think about it, and it might, one way or the other, help in the design process. The third thing that I would want to hit on is be responsive and provide timely feedback. Respond promptly to the designer's queries and provide timely feedback on their design draft, as this will help them to make necessary adjustments and revisions to the design project. Now, the fourth point that I would also want to talk about is be respectful and courteous to the graphic designer. Treat the graphic designer with respect and professionalism. Avoid being rude or demanding, and always communicate in a polite and courteous manner. Now, the fifth and the last point in today's lesson has to do with payment. Now, graphic design is a specialized skill that requires time, effort, and expertise to get things done. Always be willing to pay them for their services, and don't expect them to work for free or for an unreasonably low fee. One great advice I can give you as a client is to, try and some point in time give them tips. Alright, so this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I believe as client or as graphic design client, you've learned something great in here. If you did, please do well to give this video a like, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great lessons as this. Until I come your way next time, it is still BlabenSolutions, and see you in the next one. I'm out.